What is cracking, boys? Caleb here, and I'm calling from beautiful Bali. And today I want to cover the best SMMA offers to use in 2023. And this, guys, this offer personally got me, our agency, 100 plus clients, and got way more for our clients as well. And so if you just copy and paste these offers, I promise you'll get more appointments, more leads, and more clients and more cash in your bank account. So if you watch this entire thing, I'm going to give you the funnel as well as the actual offer. You can copy and paste it, and it will make you a lot of money. All right. So first things first is that you need to have eyeballs on your offer. The offer is your sign in the front of the store, right? We've all walked down the street and we saw like a good promotion. We want to walk in the store. That's what your offer is. And if it's not good, or if you don't even have a sign in front of your store, then people are not going to walk in. They're going to walk past it. So you need to be clear on the fact that what is your sign in front of your store, and is it good enough to get people to walk in or raise their hand? The thing that I like to explain to our clients is that when you have an offer, when you're thinking of an offer, you want to think of your ideal avatar and just being like this, raising their hands, right? You want to get as many people to be like this, right? And the goal, and this is where most people trip up, the goal is to not just sell people, it's to get people to raise their hands, right? If you guys have read $100 Million Leads by Alex Hormozi, the biggest concept was you don't want just leads, you want engaged leads, right? And so the offer that we ran for our agency to get 100 plus clients, as well as what we do for all of our clients across all the industries, is a pay per result or a free trial. Now, pay per result could be pay me every time I get you a meeting, pay me every time I get you a sale, pay me only when I get you this. Only when you get this, you pay me, right? And so there's low barrier of commitment to not buy. What did I say, guys? Not buy. Raise their hand. You want them to raise their hand, right? This is what's going to get your emails to convert, your ads to convert, and your DMs to convert. If you're not converting right now, and you're not getting appointments, and you're doing all this work to do the outreach and to spend money on ads, but you're not getting people to raise their hands, is because you don't have something that's irresistible. So start here. The very first step that you guys need to figure out is you just need to get people to raise your hands. Okay, get some leads in the door. Get some conversations coming. Okay, so pay per result or a free trial. Everyone bashes on free trial. I think personally, we scaled our agency to like 30K a month with a free trial. I think people can go to 100K a month with a free trial. Because if you keep a client, you charge $2,000, you keep them for 5 months, that's 10 grand in lifetime value that they're going to be spending with you. To do a free trial, it maybe takes about 400, 500 out of pocket. You get way more leads, and you spend 400, 500 to acquire that customer, but you make 10,000 in the back end. It's a pretty good trade-off, in my opinion, right? And this is all coming from the book, $100 Million Leads, right? Now, this is one way you can do it, right? So pay per result, free trial, those are the two offers. Now, it's not just going to work if you just blast it. It will work. I'll take that back. It will work. But if you want to work better, right? You want it to work smoothly and the whole thing running, this is what you need to do, okay? And I got this from Alex Hormozi's book, $100 Million Leads, right? And it's much easier to make an offer when you build trust with your market. Or you don't just go to a girl and say, "Hey, you want to sleep with me? Hey, you want to come back to my house?" But if you take that girl and you went to lunch, you went to dinner, right? You took her to the beach, right? You did all these things, right? And it's like fifth day, and the fifth day you're like, "Hey, do you want to come back to the house with me?" Boom. I mean, if you're a good-looking guy and you got some game, you've got a chance, right? But if you just go to a random stranger and you've built no trust with that person, then it's going to be much harder to make that offer, right? Same thing here is that you want to build trust first. Build trust with that person first, with your audience first. And so the best way to do that, and Alex talks about this in his book, and this is straight from his book, is that you give them a lead magnet, right? So lead magnet is basically, I give you this for free in exchange for your email or in exchange for your information. All right, so there's 3 types of lead magnets that you can do. You can, number 1, reveal a problem. So this could be like audits. This could be a free evaluation, free consultation. Those are the reveal problem offers, lead magnets. Number 2 is free trial. So he actually mentions this in his book, a free trial where you can have one component. We'll do this for free, run your ads for free. We'll call your leads for free. We'll set up your website for free. And it's just one part of your component, one part of your service. And if they want to continue, they have to pay you. And number 3 is you can do a free step, right? So a free step could be, I'll help you set up one part of the ad, or I'll help you set up I'll help you come up with one calling script, right? So it's just one free thing that you're going to give them out of 9 steps, right? So those are the different types of lead magnets that you can run. And what you can do is everyone's going from here. This is what everyone's doing, guys. Emails, ads, DMs, pay per result. And they're going straight to the offer, which will work. Like I said, it will work, right? So most people are doing this. They're going direct to offer, and the offer isn't really good. It's not a pay per result or free trial. This is where they're wasting a lot of time, money. They're not able to scale their agency because of that. But hopefully you're not one of those, and you're actually given a really good offer. But if you want to get even more clients, right, and more appointments, then you want to build trust with the market first, right? Using that example I gave you, right? And so the best way to do that is to give them a lead magnet, right? And one of the best ways is to just give a free case study, right? A free case study. Show them how you got this chiropractor, 50 appointments. Show them how you got your client results. And if you can give them that, or you can give them something of value, and the trick here, it's not really a trick, is it has to be really, really good, right? Why does Alex Hormozi drop a $1 book? Why? When he spent thousands of hours in that one book, why would he only charge it for $1? Because he understands that if he gives the market something that's only $1, more people consume it. And because more people consume it, he has more of the audience. And if he actually makes it really, really good, guess what? More people are going to buy his things, right? And so this is what I want to break down right here. Lead magnets get leads to engage, right? This is a very important picture, right? These two pictures. What most people do is they have a low trust audience, cold audience, is basically cold audience, and they just give the core offer, right? They do a pay per result or free trial, right? Worse yet, they do a worse offer, right? They don't even have a good offer. It's not even pay per result or free trial. It's worse than that. But they give it to the core audience, right? That has low trust, core offer, and they get one sale. Whereas if you give a lead magnet, more people that have low trust, the goal is not have them buy your things. The goal is to have them build trust with you, right? That's where most people are going wrong. They're trying to sell their things, but they're not building trust and then selling their thing, right? It's much easier to build trust, sell your thing. It's much easier to take a girl out for a few dates, then go for the sale instead of just trying to go for a sale, right? So if you have people that have low trust, convert them to a high trust, you'll get more people at the end of that, right? The goal is to get more clients. The goal isn't to give free stuff away. The goal is to get more clients. And the way to do that is to give free stuff away that's actually good. And at the end of the whole thing, you'll have more people buy your things. Does that make sense? So that's what you want to do. You want to have your emails, your ads, your DMs go into a lead magnet, make it good, and make sure that your market wants it. If your market doesn't want it, then it's not going to be valuable. Make it so good, and if it's so good, they'll guess what? My lead magnet, guys, the reason why you're watching this at 8 minutes right now is because I intend to make every video good and valuable, and I know what you guys want. And so this is why in the past 28 days, you guys have watched 154 hours of my content, and I was able to get 3,000 views and 78 plus subscribers. It's not much, but 154 hours. Can you imagine 154 hours of people watching your things in 28 days? It's pretty insane. And so I'm building goodwill in the market. I'm giving the market what it wants, and I'm actually making these videos good. Guys, I don't like to build out these maps. Like, I'm not this type of person to be like, grab pictures, do this. And I have to think about how to present the value to you guys. But I do this so that you can get value, so that you can then want to buy my stuff at the end. If you don't want to buy my stuff, cool. But the people that I actually think that I can provide value to, I'm providing value, and then hopefully you're building trust with me. You're going from low trust to high trust through these videos, if I can continue to make bangers like this. And then you're going to buy my core offer. Right? So that is the thing that you want to replicate. Have a good lead magnet, drop content, right? Make things that are actually good and give it away for free, and then give a really good offer. Right? If you could pair a really good lead magnet with a pay per result or a free trial on the back end, you're just double whammy. Really good lead magnet. You're going to get way more leads, way more people raising their hands, right? The goal here is ideal avatar going like this, raising their hands. And then from here, you raise hands, you give them what they want. They consume it. Maybe it's like 1 hour of a video or something of that nature. They consume it, and then it's so good. They're like, wow. And then you give them an offer. Hey, would you want to pay us per appointment? Or would you want to do a free trial with us? And now they have so much trust. They're like, of course. And you got way more people on the back end. All right, so that's the goal. And the lead magnet is going to solve a narrow problem. The closer to the end result, the better the lead magnet, right? So how we help this agency book more appointments, not as strong, right? You guys probably won't be be too interested in that. But what's good would be how we made this agency $50,000 in cash collected in less than 90 days with 80% margins. That's the end outcome. That's what you guys actually want. And so for that reason, the lead magnet is going to be way more valuable, and you're going to get way more leads and more people to sign up for that, right? Again, where are we going to do this? Emails, ads, DMs. If you don't have money for ads, which you don't need a lot, if you have a really good offer, if you have a really good lead magnet, you don't need a lot of ads, and you'll get way more leads. But if you have no money at all, then emails, DMs is where you guys can start. Instead of trying to pitch people, hey, can we get you more of this? Remember, low trust, high trust. Give them what they want, give something of value, give something for free. And then from there, once they build trust with you, then you can give them the core offer. All right, so instead of buy my stuff, ask, do you want something for free? Of course they want something for free. And does it solve a painful problem? Give insane value. It gathers trust. It'll build your brand at the same time. And we get more people to opt in, more people to raise their hands. And at the very end, right, this is the last part here, is just focus on volume. Once you have a really good offer, you have the whole funnel down, you have the lead magnet, and you have a really good offer in the back end, you need more eyeballs. Once you have that down, guys, it's just an eyeball game. How many eyeballs, who has the most amount of eyeballs in their industry? That's the person that's winning. All right, Charlie Morgan, Serge, Iman Gotzi, they're all beating me. All right, and guys, we got to start a movement so they don't start, we can get up to the top. But they're all beating me because they have more eyeballs. All right, I think I've done a pretty good job of my offer. At this point, it's just eyeballs, right? And so you got to play the game. You got to play the game. So it's either you got to do paid ads, spend more money, cold DMs, send more cold emails. I have people sending out 10,000 cold emails a day. All right, they're just playing a bigger game. Cold DMs, do more, right? Think about how I can get more people to consume my value. That's what I'm thinking. As I'm creating these YouTube videos, right? If you guys are in a chiro niche or just any niche, it doesn't matter. I used to think in the agency space, people won't watch my videos, right? No chiropractor, no 50-year-old guy would watch my videos until I actually tried it. And I had 50-year-old doctors, 60-year-old doctors going through my videos and consuming it. And I was like, okay, well, obviously, because you have something to say. You are better than them at ads and funnels and online marketing. They don't understand that. And so for that reason, they're going to listen to you. All right? As long as you can talk, okay? Just work on your vocals. And if the value is there and what you have to actually provide is there, then there will be a compound effect. You'll have more people watching it. They'll be sharing it to their friends. And guess what? You'll have more and more high-quality leads coming to you. And then this offer will get you way more leads, way more appointments, and more sales, all right? So here's a quick offer I'm going to make to you guys, and then I'll end off here, right? If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe because I'm going to be dropping more videos on how you can scale your agency, get more appointments, and just build the right acquisition systems. And for a select few people, down below will be my calendar link. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually set this up for you guys. So live on a call, right? As long as you are a good fit, right? Anyone above 5K a month, right? 5K a month to whatever, you could be 100K a month. We'll, on the call for like 30 minutes, 45 minutes, maybe even an hour, we'll break down how you can actually build the right lead magnet, right? And I'll do this all for free, right? So I'm practicing what I'm preaching. My lead magnet to you guys right now in this video is going to be, hey, if you want me to actually build out this funnel where we can come out with the best case study for you, right? The best lead magnet. I'll show you how to set that up. I'll show you how to run the ads for that, right? And then how to set up the entire back end, right? And we'll give you a specific game plan for you guys to be able to set this up yourself for free, right? Drop the link down below. I'm only going to do this for a few people because I have a pretty open schedule for the next 1 or 2 weeks. So for the next 1 or 2 weeks, you have the chance to be able to sit down. We'll come up with an offer for you, the whole funnel, the lead magnet, and we'll show you how to get more appointments and scale your agency. If you're interested, the link will be down below. If not, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.